Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use Siri when your iPhone is facing down or covered on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we swipe up to go down and tap on Siri, then scroll down and tap on Always Listen for Hi Siri. Tap on the toggle button and make sure it is switched on. Then, even when your phone is covered or face down, you can still use Siri by saying, "Hey Siri." As you can see, Siri is still responding to you even if the phone is face down. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.